Guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. We are in North Norwood in the London borough of Croydon. So without further ado, let's take off. Well, the birds are gonna get shook. Don't worry, we're gonna go high straight away. Well, as soon as I took off, the clouds just came. Are you mad? Look, I just realised now, the clouds just come. That is so... There's no way. You know what? I was setting up the drone, it was still sunny, and this cloud just came literally right now. What are the odds? Literally, I took off. I expected a sunny drone flight, and this happens. The reason why I've come to this part of London is because I checked Met Office, and anywhere north is basically cloudy at this time. So that's why I came to do a drone flight in New Cross Gate as well. And now somehow just a cloud just came in this area. I don't know how that's possible. It literally just came right now. There was actually a slit in the cloud, you can see, and then it was still sunny somehow through that. And it just covered it. I should have just waited. You can see it's sunny everywhere else except for this area. The exact same thing happened when I flew in Collier's Wood. It was sunny, and when I was just about to take off, it got cloudy. Alright, so now without further ado, let's just explore the area down here. What should we explore? Should we explore? Let's explore the area down here. We're gonna go towards the little train depot right here. There's a lot of trains, as you can see, right in this area. Oh no, I thought those are all trains, all these, but I was wrong. It's just it's just the shelter. Anyway, let's just explore this area. Looks like there's a little depot down here. I don't know, it's a train depot. Look at that. Let's go towards this train depot and just see what's down here. Look at that. Really interesting, isn't it? West Croydon's over there. I've done a drone flight in Croydon in September. So you've got a train. It's a southern train, as you can see. Let's just come back now. We'll go via this way. Let's explore the area down here. Dog just came. Oh. So let's just fly above this area down here. Stop recording now. So it's a bit cloudy, as you can see. go towards this little area down there. There's a Norwood tower, clock tower right here. Let's go towards it. Let's see where the clock tower is. I don't even know where that clock tower is. Is that it? You know what? It might be that little thing in the center of the frame. Yeah, I was expecting the big clock tower, but it's a really small clock tower. I mean, no, it's not like a small clock tower. It's at street level, basically. So yeah, I'll get my drone in range in that. So the sun's come out now again, so that's good. What we'll do now is just get a tour of the area of Norwood Junction. The train is just pulling up at the station. It looks like the sun's coming out. Let's look towards London. We can actually see that it's cloudy in London. So we've actually escaped the cloudy weather. So I was going to fly there, but it's actually cloudy. If I flew north of the river, then we would get a cloudy drone flight right now. That's why I've actually come to this area. Well, I planned drone flights in this area anyway, but I've come today specifically because I checked the Met Office and it shows the clouds is going to be clear in this part of the city. So it's a good move coming in this area. So we're in sunny Croydon, whereas the rest of London is cloudy. Actually, the whole of southeast London is sunny. Let's go to that road in that area down there. And we'll just come back towards this area down there. Just get a tour of the trains down here. Look at that, sun's coming out now, so I should have just waited. Well, I didn't know this cloud was coming. There's this little bridge over there. Let's go towards that little bridge. And we've got another train coming past. The train's going to that area. Then let's see what's down here. We see the rest of the depot. Essentially, it's a train garage. Selhurst Depot. Okay, Selhurst train depot. Kind of interesting. Actually, when I went to do my drone flight in West Croydon, I actually went past there. The train went past Selhurst Depot, and I remember that clearly. So let's go to this area down here. So there's a pitch in this area down here as well. Let's go towards the area down here. That's the Crystal Palace transmitting tower. So I've done a drone flight there before. Plus that drone flight was cloudy. I might do a drone flight there again one time. I actually went past there. But the train branches off to Crystal Palace, and I came to the train that branches off into West Croydon, so that's where I am. So yeah, we've explored pretty much all of Norwood, and the sun's come out now again. The cloud has cleared. I don't know why all the cars are lined up there. Oh, because there's sideways traffic. Going towards the junction here. Let's go backwards. Actually, let's go forward. We're going towards back where we are because our drone battery is getting low now. Look at that, it's proper sunny now. What's down there? We've got an Audi as well in there, this area. Let's just stay local now. And the South Norwood clock towers in this area as well. Let's go towards the station here. You've even got these tower blocks here. Let's get a shot of this tower block. Look at that, insane, look at that. Let's not go too low towards that. Just the normal. We'll fly in this area, I haven't been to this part. South Norwood is this area. Go towards South Norwood. Look at that. Amazing. What we'll do is start them back now, but our battery's a bit low. Yeah, I should have done that before, but now it's too late now. I wanted to explore that area, but my battery's running out, so I've got to land it. Don't want my drone to be out there, especially in this windy weather. Let's just get a backward shot in it. Get a backward shot of coming back. It's a nice little backward shot in it, look at that. Look at that, we're still getting a shot of it. Let's move the mic away from the drone. Let's get a shot of the trains as well, look at that. Trying to get a quick shot of the trains, who cares about the beeping? It's all about the shot. Look at that, amazing. Right, let's land it now. The birds are getting shook. Because they're getting shook, I'm just gonna fly above me Then we're gonna land it. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Norwood, or South Norwood, or Norwood Junction, because it's like 3 areas in one video. I don't even know what to name the area that I'm flying in. So anyway, this is my drone flight here in South Norwood, in Croydon in South London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.